We're really excited to present you with the Notes Media Uploader app, powered by ioGates. It's an amazing new app that comes as a part of the SoundFlow Notes package. As sound designers and music producers, we often have to bounce out a new version of the project we're working on, so we can upload or send it to directors, producers or band members to get their feedback on our work. Today, this is a tedious process that involves a lot of manual steps, various different file storage services, and a lot of emails back and forth. With SoundFlow's new media uploader, this whole process becomes much easier. You just select a portion of your timeline in Pro Tools, then with the click of a button, the app bounces your audio and or video and automatically uploads it to the ioGates server, where it creates a shared link and sends an email to the recipient. They can then use that link to add their comments using their computer or even their tablets or phones. When they're done giving feedback, with a single click you can download the comments into the SoundFlow Notes app. From there they can be exported as markers or clip groups directly into your Pro Tools session. The best thing is that while the SoundFlow ioGates integration is in public beta, all SoundFlow Cloud Pro subscribers can upload audio or video files up to 5 GB in size for free. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get it up and running. Let's start by installing the Notes package. To do this, click on the SoundFlow icon in the top right corner of your screen and click Open SoundFlow. In the header of the SoundFlow app, click the Store button, and then in the search field, type Notes. Once the Notes package appears, click Install, and after it installs, click Go to Package. Now let's assign a keyboard shortcut to the Notes app by clicking on the Notes app in the commands list, selecting New Trigger, clicking Keyboard Trigger, and then clicking Record, and let's assign the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N. Then for the Notes Media Uploader, let's do the same. Click the New Trigger button, click Keyboard Trigger, and then let's assign the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-M. And once that's done, you're ready to get started. So here in Pro Tools, I have a video with a frame rate of 30 frames per second, along with some audio that I want to send to a third party for review. The Notes Media Uploader app is perfect for this task. Let's start by selecting the portion of the Pro Tools timeline we want to send for review. Then open the Notes Media Uploader using the keyboard shortcut we assigned earlier, Ctrl-Shift-M. Click the current Pro Tools project button in the Media Uploader app. Then SoundFlow will automatically gather the information it needs to proceed. Along with the video in and out point, the app will display whether the file has video content or not, as well as the Pro Tools output path, which can be updated by clicking and selecting from the drop-down menu here. Now click the Set Recipient button, enter in the recipient's email address and press OK. And then click Share. SoundFlow will then go through and set the correct settings, bounce the audio file, and then marry it to the video content, which will be exported in H.264 format at 10 megabits. Once the congratulations screen comes up, just click OK. You'll know how much media storage you have left from the readout here. Close the Media Uploader window and wait for the ioGates link to load in your default web browser. Now that the export is finished, an email link will be sent to the recipient that will take them to the video. You can also just copy the link and send it via email or text or however else you wish. Comments can then be added to the video by you or the recipient that are time-stamped at the location where you start typing. When you're done typing a comment, press Shift Return to send. To navigate through the video, you can use the J, K, and L keys. Once comments have been added to the video, we want to export them to Pro Tools as markers, which can be really convenient when addressing feedback. The SoundFlow Notes app is perfect for this task. All you have to do is copy the ioGates video URL, head back to Pro Tools and open the Notes app with the keyboard shortcut we prepared earlier, Ctrl-Shift-N. Click on the Import tab, then click Import from ioGates Share Link. Paste in the URL and click OK. You'll then be prompted to select a category for the imported notes. For this example, I'll choose Director. So as you can see here, the comments have been imported into the Notes app along with their timecode locations. To add the comments as markers in Pro Tools, all you have to do is select the Export tab, click Export to Pro Tools Memory Locations, then sit back and watch SoundFlow do the work for you. So with a few clicks of the mouse, we've exported a selection from the Pro Tools timeline using the Notes Media Uploader, shared a URL link with a third party for review, imported comments into SoundFlow's Notes app, and then exported those comments as markers into your Pro Tools session. Once you've addressed the comments in the Pro Tools session, then you're ready for a new review cycle. If you have some other audio or video that's not part of a Pro Tools project, you can also upload using the selected file in Finder option in the Media Uploader. I hope this introduction to the Notes Media Uploader has been helpful, and if you have any questions, be sure to visit the SoundFlow forum. And until next time, happy SoundFlowing.